This video will demonstrate a workaround to the problem where one of the colors is missing in printed documents. This issue has been seen in the imaging drums for the HP Color LaserJet CM6040, CM6030 MFP, and HP Color LaserJet CP6015. The workaround requires an important step that needs to be performed before installing a new imaging drum. The first step is to identify what color is missing from your printed document. In this example, the magenta is missing, but the other three colors could be affected. This issue is caused by the imaging drum and not the toner cartridge. Open the front door and slide the magenta imaging drum out. Be sure to use the blue handle to transport it to a flat working surface. Remove the new imaging drum from its packaging. Important: do not remove the cover on the imaging drum during this process, so the green roller is not exposed and remains protected. Position the imaging drum so the back end of the imaging drum is facing you. Locate the white gear and rotate counterclockwise 2 full rotations as shown. Use a flat screwdriver to help in rotating the gear. This procedure ensures that the toner is able to be evenly distributed. After you have completed rotating the gear on the new imaging drum, install it into the printer. The cover will slide off the bottom as you install the new imaging drum. By printing a supply status page, you can verify that all 4 colors are present. Magenta is present in the new printout, where it was previously missing. If for any reason this did not resolve the missing print defect, please contact HP support.